pressure, but remember, we are competing for a $1,000, $500 prize, as well as some awesome Samsung VR tech. And you guys are first up. So without further ado, our first team.
Hi guys, we are Mobile Damage Assessment. My name is Micah Cleveland. This is Larry Wilbourn.
Hey.
I've been a software developer officially for only a little bit under a year, actually. I've been working with computers for almost a decade now, however. Larry, I don't think...
About 15 years.
Yeah, he's been working a bit longer than I have. We're here to indicate our project, which was not directly requested by the first responders, but I talked to them yesterday, and one of the things that they said was missing was the ability to directly report to a local central hub the status of a civilian or someone or a structure if it's damaged during an attack or natural disaster or anything like that. So what I set up was a once and done design where you press a button, the report gets sent up, then you get to move on and continue the rest of your duties. It's designed to help with triaging. It reports the most difficult assignments to handle. It takes care of the most critically wounded, the most risky situations, and it just reports them to a central station so that everyone is aware of where to go and how quickly they need to get there. The basic premise is fairly simple. It's designed to, it's written in Django, so it's designed to get merged into GeoQ if it comes to that, or something else that works along those lines. The main project is actually the mobile version, which you can access on the phone. I'll show that real fast just because that's pretty much the important part. It's got a small view, can't see very well on here. You can see it a little bit better on this screen. Oops, not that button though. Why is it not the button? So the buttons do is that they gray out. You can't press them. Then they pull your geolocation. Once they update, you can press the button on the home screen. I'll go ahead and press that now. So say we're currently at Aegis, so it takes my current location, reports that Aegis has taken a hit, and gets updated onto the main map over here. So that is our Aegis location, and it says Aegis has been hit by a reported attack of some sort. Currently it's color-coded. Black just means heavy damage. So the responders can decide where they need to go first. It's useful for people as well. Unfortunately, I was not able to get it to where I wanted to, which was displaying everything in the local area simultaneously. The basics of it are you get to report your on-the-fly time, and you also get to report triage requirements, and it keeps track of who's where at what time and what status they're in.
All right. Any questions from the judges?
So, what's your assumption in terms of infrastructure? Let's say if there's damage, what kind of damage you assume is going to happen? Are you going to have access to some network?
My assumption is that it'll be merged into a GeoQ, which is, or something similar, which has a much stronger framework than I could provide in a single night. So the main purpose of that is to boost existing products. It'll be reporting to a central server, which can track weather damage, blockades, various other events. So this is just basic framework for people in the field, first responders currently in the field trying to report back home as rapidly as possible.
So, Micah, you said it also can help with status of patients or victims.
Yeah, I was not talking fast enough or I have too much, I'm not sure which. But over here on the side, I set up a example where a chevron exploded, except the map doesn't want to zoom properly. You can see various different colored images. Each one indicates a wounded civilian. Different colors indicate different levels of damage. You can modify them on the fly if you need to. You can take them, move them. One thing that I added I personally think probably the best thing I added is the ability to indicate when they have reached help. You can indicate that, hey, this person is now at a triage center, this person is being taken care of, then you can move on to your next patient.
That's excellent. So I'm assuming the handheld portion or the mobile portion of this, where they're actually collecting, the interface is big buttons, so responders with gloves or in a quick situation.
I can show you if you like.
So my question is, this is to the central location, right?
Currently, no, but it is ready to be merged into